This 2011 Maserati GranTurismo S convertible is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GranTurismo convertible 4.7L V8 engines, F6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, navigation system, boasts premium sound system, rear parking aid, front parking aid, heated front seats, memory seats, xenon headlights, adaptive light control system, power automatic windows, cruise control, low power and heated exterior mirrors, keyless entry, Maserati alloy wheels, black exterior, black leather interior, black convertible soft top. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Maserati GranTurismo convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing, and even visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.